In this lesson, we're going to use a mixed fraction model to figure out which number is greater. So if we have a problem like this that says which number is greater than the number shown in the model. So this is the model, and we need to figure out what's greater, what number is greater out of these numbers to this model, okay? So the first thing we have to do is write the number shown. So we need to figure out what this number is in fractions. So there are 5 wholes, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last shape shows 8 shaded parts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 out of 9, 10, 11, 12. So the last shape shows 8 out of 12. That's the fraction for this. So the number shown is 5 and 8/12. So now the next step is to compare each number here to this fraction, this mixed numbers fraction, to figure out which one is greater. So let's compare 5 and 5/12 to 5 and 8/12. We know 5 and 5/12 is less than 5 and 8/12, right? Because 5 and 5/12 would have only 5 of these shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these would all be white as well, right? So we know this one is less than. So let's keep going. 5 and 2/12. We know 5 and 2/12 is less than 5 and 8/12 because 5 and 2/12 would only have 2 of these shaded. So that fraction is less. That mixed fraction is less. Now let's compare 4 and 10/12. This one's pretty easy because we only need to compare the whole numbers. The whole numbers are different. So 4 is less than 5. We know that. So automatically this one is less than. We don't have to go any further and look at the fraction. Now we're at this last one, 5 and 9/12. 5 and 9/12 is greater than 5 and 8/12 because 5 and 9/12 would have one extra shaded piece of triangle here, and so we know that this one is greater than this one. So 5 and 9/12 is greater than 5 and 8/12, and that's the answer. And don't worry if you don't get this right away, you could just rewatch the video. If you need extra resources, take a look at the description. I have links to other videos of mine that are like this. As well, you could download the ebook and you could follow along in the ebook this exact lesson. Thank you so much for watching.